Hey everybody! We've set to bring our most popular use cases from the Linchpin Intranet Suite for Confluence Data Center to the Atlassian Cloud. And to begin with, I'd like to give you a short glimpse of our Enterprise News app that is already available for free on the Atlassian Marketplace as cloud version of our Linchpin Enterprise News app. As you probably know, blog posts are a basic Confluence feature to share news with your whole company, with your teammates, or with a project team. And our news app builds on the basic blog post functionality to provide you with visual as well as functional enhancements. And to begin with, I'd like to show you our News Hub, which is the core of our news app and aggregates all the blog posts from your Confluence system to display them on this one page. And if this visually appealing grid view overwhelms you a bit, you can just switch to the list view in the top right. And also we provide a search functionality. So if you are, for example, looking for news on the sales topic, you just enter your search term and be presented with all the results instantly. What you can also do with our app is build custom dashboards in a simple Confluence page by using our macro, which gives you, like for this global news, a grid view of the 5 latest news, and for the local news, a nice list representation. I'll switch to the edit mode real quick to show you the macro configuration. And as you can see here, you can just select the appearance that you prefer, the number of news. You can select either to display news from certain spaces or news sections if you want to personalize the experience and tailor them to your users' needs. And also you can hide or display certain elements in the macro and adjust this to your specific needs in this case. Also, you can integrate news with your Confluence dashboard, and you can reach this by pressing home here at the top navigation. And on the right hand side, you can already see our news widget, which you can collapse or expand as you like. And also the administrator can personalize the news displayed here, so each user only sees the news on the dashboard that are most relevant to them. And speaking of the administrator, we will take a short look in the administration area, which you can find in the news menu item under the Atlassian Marketplace section. And here you can configure all the things our news app provide, like the News Hub here. And to make it as intuitive as possible, we will present you with this live preview here on the left using dummy data. And all the changes that you make on the news settings to the right are automatically being reflected on the left-hand side. So if I switch to list view here, you can instantly see how your system will look like with this setting. Also, you can select display elements here that we just saw in the macro. You can switch the grid variant that you wish. You can set a tile background color for all the news tiles that do not have a cover image. And you can switch between a classic design or a full image design for new news tiles. Also, you can configure the homepage feed on your Confluence Cloud dashboard, and you have all the possibilities that you saw in the News Hub. And tile background and tile design are configured in the News Hub and synchronized, so you need to switch back to the News Hub settings to change this. Also, at the core of our app, there's a personalization feature, and some of you might know this feature from our data center app. We are not that powerful yet in the Atlassian Cloud with personalization, but in this first version, we can personalize the news experience for all users based on user groups, so Confluence user groups to be specific. And for example, our local news section here distinguishes between news in the spaces News USA and News Germany. And all Confluence users assigned to the location New York group are being presented with News USA, and people assigned to location Frankfurt or location Wiesbaden are presented with News Germany. You can also add more sources or more sections here and personalize the news experience for your users to show only the news relevant to them. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. And short note here, the development team is constantly releasing new features, so keep a look out for it. And also, we would be very happy if you give our app a chance, install it in your Confluence Cloud environment. As you can see, it's free, you do not have any risk, and we are really looking forward to your feedback. So just tell us what you think. Thank you and stay safe.